Welcome to Auto Drive Hub, where we bring you the latest insights on cars from around the world. Today we are looking at the 2025 Honda Nisan, a fresh new concept that blends the style and technology of Honda with design cues that nod to modern innovation. The 2025 Honda Nisan stands out with its futuristic appearance, sharp LED headlamps, aerodynamic profile, and a bold grille that speaks of power and refinement. This compact crossover offers a sporty look paired with functionality, making it suitable for both city driving and long road adventures. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Nisan is expected to come with a hybrid engine offering a balance between power and efficiency. The 1.5-liter IVTC engine combined with an electric motor delivers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. It is engineered with smart drive modes that allow the user to toggle between eco, normal and sport settings, ensuring a personalized driving experience based on terrain and conditions. Inside, the cabin comfort and tech dominate the layout with high-quality materials, a sleek dashboard and a fully digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while voice command and gesture control are added for hands-free operation. Premium sound system, climate control and USB charging ports in both rows show that convenience is key in this model. Safety is also a major highlight of the 2025 Honda Nisan. Equipped with Honda sensing technology, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera view. These features work together to provide maximum safety for both driver and passengers. With alloy wheels, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, smart keyless entry and a panoramic sunroof, the exterior blends luxury with practicality. The boot space is generous and rear seats can be folded to increase cargo capacity, making it a versatile option for families and travel enthusiasts. The 2025 Honda Nisan truly combines efficiency, innovation and a sporty aesthetic in a way that's perfect for the modern driver. If you're someone looking for style with smart tech and safety in one compact vehicle, this is definitely worth a look. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more car reviews and auto news. This is Auto Drive Hub, your trusted source for everything on wheels.